Hello, good evening everyone. Myself Amol Vinayak Dadas, Geography Assistant Professor. Like we have started with the new UPSC series for Geography subject, okay, which is an important subject for the preparation of UPSC preliminary as well as mains. So last time we have started with the types of rocks. In that we have seen intrusive and extrusive rocks, but first we are dealing with the intrusive rocks only, and we are going to cover all the rocks. And we have already started with the granite. I think next we should start with one more important intrusive igneous rock, that is pegmatite. Look at this. We have like actual like piece or like example of intrusive igneous rock. This is nothing but a pegmatite. So now as well as we to have the original rock with us definitely. Now as I told you that one line, I would like to again like explain to you that we have rocks, stones, different rocks: igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic. In igneous we have extrusive, intrusive. In intrusive we have different rocks. Why we divide the rocks? Again, we should not stop with the intrusive rocks only, because again we have different colors, size, shapes, minerals which found in the rocks. On the basis of that we divide the rocks. Okay, now pigmatite. Look at this, observe. I know that it's very difficult to observe on camera, but rather than going with the image, I think it's better to like see this and observe this rock. What we are observing in this rock? We have some crystals, some minerals, some compositions in this rock. So what does it mean? So as like granite, it is nothing but a twin rock to granite, except color. It is white coarse. Earlier we have seen coarse grain with red color. This rock is also coarse grain with the white color, and this is nothing but the composition of quartz, feldspar, and one more guest mineral which is extra than granite is mica or mica. What does it mean? So as I told you that quartz and feldspar both are like crystalline materials which found in this intrusive like igneous rock. One more is that mica. Mica is nothing but like a mineral which is actually important for different industries. I'll tell you one thing. Mica is also used in the electric appliances, instruments, as a like radioactive conductor. Not in that extent, but similar, like in small extent. One more thing, if you see different colors, or I know like in Indian society there are different festivals. One of them is Holi. Holi is one of them. We play colors to make our life beautiful and colorful. We play like that holy colors. Or in a Diwali, we use different colors. That color, that powder is actually made up from the mica. That is MICA, mica or mica, which is found in pigmatite in this rock. So, like again, I'm telling you one more time, granite composition or whatever minerals which we found in granite, same mineral quartz and like feldspar, okay, that crystallite structures or minerals we found in granite, same, but additionally we have found mica or mica in this rock. Look at now. Now, one more thing with the quality of this pigmatite is that it is actually made up of some crystals, big crystals. So they have locked each other, as like the way so in good families, two brothers they have attachment. The way husband and wife have attachment, the way friends have attachment. Same way, these materials, these quartz, these minerals, this mica and crystallines, they have attached with each other. Look at the attachment. They do not have any distinguish like discrimination. For example, feldspar, mica and quartz, three of them are staying together without any problem. So the way, if rock staying together, and what happens to man, like humans should have humanity like rocks. Okay, this is a different part, but we will now discuss now what are the more important like characteristics of this rock. Now mica, as I told you, holy, and also like this quartz crystallized materials, feldspar crystallized material with silicates. Again, this mica too have some silicates, okay, which is useful for the purpose of making colors, color powder, and like some like I must say that like what we use that beauty parlor, that they use some materials for makeup and all. For that purpose also they use mica. One more thing I would like to tell you that if I say like pigmatite rock can contain gold, do you believe in me? For example, if you want like gold, definitely we will find gold in mine. We have different gold mines, Kolar, KGF, that is in Karnataka is famous for the gold production. Simultaneously Karnataka, the South Africa is also famous, for the gold production. But I'll tell you, there are different ores. Like I can't say directly gold found in pegmatite, but there are higher chances some veins, some underlying rocks which possess some minerals, and that minerals too have some ores of gold. So definitely sometimes we can't say that gold is specially found in pegmatite, but there are higher chances definitely that that gold, that like ore of gold can found in pegmatite. So how this pegmatite is precious, I must say. Like I don't want to distinguish between minerals or gold and rock. For us, for a student, for a UPSC aspirant, for a geographers, for a researcher, this rock is also one type of like precious metal or jewelry for us. Okay, now I'll tell you one more thing. Look at the shining materials, coarse grained structure of this rock. Okay, this is nothing but the crystallized materials. Now I'll tell you one thing: how this rock forms. This rock forms because of the that some inside the earth, inside the earth, the water which is present in the volcanic eruption, that water gets segregates during this eruption process, and that separation of water led to the formation of this type of rock. Like I can't say this rock has formed because of water, but the water which was present in like that magma and lava gets segregates or gets separates from the volcanic eruptions or lava or magma, and finally it cools down inside there as it is igneous, intrusive igneous rock. So this forms because of this water which segregates from the I must say water from lavas and or magma. Now as we have seen like different the things which found in this rock. Okay, now we will definitely discuss, we should discuss what are the uses of this rock. If I say like as I told you, it is twin rock to granite, definitely same uses as we have seen in last lecture. These rocks are useful for the purpose of building monuments, uh, construction of roads, construction of houses, buildings, industries, then stones. Uh, then one more thing, definitely, I'll tell you one more thing. One dream. Every human has a dream to have to possess a own house, own bungalow. Nowadays, dream has been changing from house to bungalow. Definitely to for the purpose of like building a best house, a wonderful best bungalow, people use stones, different types of like materials, and like pigmented is one of them. Why? Tiles. For tiles, people use pigmented as a tile. Like if you give a different and good shape to this rock, it again becomes tiles. One more thing, it is also used in the what statue industries. They like this rock is also useful for that purpose, and which is highly economical. And one more thing, if I say the location of this rock is majorly found in Bihar, Jharkhand, which is the Chotanagpur Plateau, and also in Karnataka, some extent in Maharashtra, some extent in Rajasthan, like some rarely found in West Bengal and Assam. So this is the distribution of rocks in India. One more thing. Don't forget this. So especially Bihar, Jharkhand, and Odisha. Okay, and other states they are like and Karnataka. Other states found in a small proportion. One more thing I would like to tell that as even this granite and pigmatite both are same, but color is different, texture is different. How? As we have seen, granite is actually having small grains particle which is connected with each other during crystallization. But now look at this pigmatite rock has both the properties or both the particles, microparticles, as well as like crystallized big particles. For example, if I say this crystallization, the shining particles or grains or crystals, this varies from 1 centimeter to 3 centimeter, and they can vary from different size. So this is nothing but the combination of different grains or different pockets they have joined together. So this is the small difference between granite and pegmatite you can easily identify. Okay, now inside there, the location of this pegmatite rock, which is found in batholith. Batholith. Now, what is batholith? As like we have seen different types of rocks, intrusive, extrusive. We are discussing intrusive. So there are different layers in intrusive rocks. Okay, dikes, sill. We have laccolith, we have lapolith, we have faccolith, we have batholith. How to identify batholith? Starts with A, B, C, D. A, we do not have any types of like layer inside there. Definitely it's B now. B is batholith. Batholith is nothing but the layer at the margins of batholith, the rocks, the intrusive igneous rock which found inside there in depth. And the between two margins of batholith, these rocks found. Nothing but pegmatite. Look at pegmatite. Okay, I think I have one more rock. Like I'm not going to discuss this rock in this lecture, but just I'm telling you, this is diorite. Okay, look at the diorite. It is also intrusive rock, intrusive igneous rock. If you see both the rock, it seems like Lord, both are twins. Karan Arjun, mere Karan Arjun aayenge, like that only, or Ram Lakhan. But little bit difference is there. Just look at uh, diorite. Okay, coarse grain, crystallization, quartz is also present, feldspar is also present. Some black materials are also there. And look at pegmatite. What is the difference? Pegmatite has different size and shaped crystallized materials in that. They have irregular size materials. Here, attached material with same size. So we will discuss this diorite in next class. Definitely, and I hope you got like you understood what is the importance of this pegmatite. It is an intrusive igneous rock which is important for the construction purposes and all. So what are the once again I would like to tell you, intrusive igneous rock, type of igneous rock, okay, found inside there near batholith, margins of batholiths, down deep inside the earth, okay, formed because of the water which was present in lava which gets separates from the lava, and this forms this type of rocks. This type of rocks, this is called as pegmatite, generally composed of what? Quartz, feldspar, and finally mica. Mica is nothing but important mineral which is nothing but crystallized material, and which is also combination of silicates. What is mica? Which is useful for the purpose of that electric devices and all. So electric industries also use this. One more next thing that colors and all. So powder, makeup materials, also useful for that purpose. And after that we have seen the uses of it. So definitely construction purpose. Then stones, marbles. Then not marble means that I must say. Tiles for the purpose of construction of houses. This type of pigmented rocks is useful. Okay, I hope this was okay and like a simple lecture for you. If you have any like doubts, or if you have any comments, please welcome. If you have any suggestion, please welcome. We will definitely meet in next class with diorite. Next lecture will be on diorite, how it is important for us, and what are the different characteristics, different minerals found in diorite. We will see in next class. So still, thank you so much. Namaskar.